We want you to know it. Donald Trump is speaking in Arizona as we start this. And not only that, we're going to go much higher in OKLO that we are. So we want everyone to understand that the Wisconsin was great. He's in Arizona right now. That is exactly what's going on. We can see that we are going to go higher in OKLO. Buy now, pay later. So let me pause it. For the end of the Christmas holiday. That we do understand 100%. So, the option market right now is unbelievable. They're buying the $15 calls, they're buying the $20 calls, they're going out and they're buying all the way up to the $30 calls on 1,700 contracts. That's exactly what they're doing. And not only that, it's time for you to get paid on Buy Now, Pay Later program. Yes, it's on the website. You can read the regulations. Listen, it's time for you to get paid. It's time for you to be invested. It's time for you to take action. It's time for you to do everything that is proactive.